Here is more proof that it was Apple that invented the USB Type-C. It's the website Patently Apple that has found more patents that Apple has on this connector and this USB port. And this patent was granted in Q3 2013, and Apple also has other patents about this that was granted in July 2014. So these patents was way before Apple announced the new 12-inch MacBook. And to me it's not strange at all that Apple has invented a USB Type-C port, and now it's an open standard that everyone can use. Because if you think about it, the Lightning connector is an USB port that has a reversible connector. So Apple was way before this with these ideas on how a connector should be like and what it should be able to do, send audio, video, charging and everything through one port. So I don't think this is strange at all, really. So I don't understand why all is against this, that Apple has invented a USB Type-C port. They did it because they want to do something good here with a standard that everyone can use with all the devices and accessories and so on. So we can finally have one cable, one port for everything. So I don't understand why people don't get it. And yes, I know that it's a lot of people and companies involved in the USB group and so on, but this is when the standard is created, the USB Type-C standard is created, so they will make it an open standard. Then these companies is involved in this and pushing for this kind of standard. I think this is a sign that Apple is a completely different company now when Tim Cook is leading the company, because this is a sign that Apple is opening up more, because they did something good here with the USB Type-C connector. Then they decided to release it for everyone, so everyone can use it. I think that's a sign that Apple is a completely different company now. I will link to Patently Apple's 2 articles about this, that Apple has invented this USB Type-C port, down below in the description text. Go check it out. Okay, bye.